Hello there, my name is Cam and I'm your Gmat trainer. For today's video, I will take you through the process of understanding the sentence correction. So let's talk a little bit about it from a theoretical point of view and let's see an example together. Let's go. So, in this video, as I said, we'll be talking about the sentence correction, and I would like to give you an overview of the most important questions that are, or most important problems that are tested in this exam. You probably read that in the official guide or in other books or in other material. Some of these questions are the agreement problem, the diction problem, the construction problem, the grammatical construction problem, the parallel problem, and so forth. So, for today's video, we'll be focusing again on the agreement problem. However, it will be a little bit different from the other videos that we made before. It will be an agreement problem between the verb and the subject. So, let's see this together. Although a surge in retail sales have raised hopes that there is a recovery finally underway, many economists say that without a large amount of spending, the recovery might not last. So, we saw now the question and we saw the underlined part, which starts at the verb have and ends at the part finally. So let's give you a little time to guess the answer, and we will have an explanation to the answer right after this interval. So as you saw, the answer here is D, and we will talk a little bit about the reasons why D is the correct answer. So let's demonstrate all the options and let's see the options one by one. So by default you can eliminate A, of course, because it contradicts the prediction that you have made about the answer. We have predicted that the relation between the subject and the verb is not correct, and then that give us the opportunity, or give us the the reason to eliminate A immediately. And then we go to the other options that we have here, and what we see is that we see distractors among the answers given to us, and that means that they provide you with a very close or so correct-like answers, but they contain a minor mistake. So in this regard here, we see that answer B, C, and E are mismatching, are not providing the correct relation between the subject and the verb. Now, in this regard here, maybe I would like to remind the ones who are training on the sentence correction and remind them with my recommendation, which is to follow one of the basic methodologies that we probably learned while we were at the middle school, high school, but probably you will forget about it, which is about the sentence correction through sentence analysis. I mean, we used to look at the text and examine it from the subject, verb, object by identifying the subject and the object and the verb, and then looking at the sentence in terms of checking the relation between the subject and the verb and things like that. In today's example, we have a problem that is very commonly tested in Gmat, which is called the agreement. And the agreement here, we saw the problem between the subject and the verb. So, for more on that, leave us your comments in the section below. Thank you for watching.